Hello, this is Dide Uzun, and today I make you my presentation about final project in decision theory lesson. First, I want to start with what I did for this assignment. I watched the lesson recordings first of all. Then I did a little research about game theory and AHP. And here's my presentation. First, I wanted to explain game theory briefly. Game theory is the famous theory used in statistics, social sciences, biology, engineering, political science, computer science. Game theory attempts to capture mathematically the behavior patterns of certain strategic situations in which an individual makes a choice in which success depends on the choice of others. Although it was originally developed to analyze competitions in which one individual gained at the expense of the other zero-sum games, it later began to examine a very broad field of interaction based on many constraints. And the analytical hierarchy process little brief is here. AHP is a method for organizing and analyzing complex decisions using mathematics and psychology. It is one of the multi-criteria decision-making methods introduced by Thomas L. Sethi, which helps the decision maker. One of the biggest advantages of this method is that it provides analytical evaluation of criteria without numerical values by means of comparison methods. Here is the first question problem that you gave us. Let me read the question again. The personnel department and CNH has narrowed the search for a new hire to 3 candidates, Steve, Jane, and Maisa. The final selection is based on 3 criteria: personal interview, experience, and references. The department uses matrix A, which is given below, to establish the preferences among the 3 criteria. After interviewing the 3 candidates and complying the data regarding their experiences and references, the matrices A, AE and AR are constructed. Which of the 3 candidates should be higher? Assess the consistency of data. I did this problem on Excel. Here is the solution, but I want to show you it in Excel because I want to show you formulas too. Here it is. First, I wrote the formulas here. Some formulas, they are some of the above 3 values, and these are 2. These are two some of their above 3 cells. And here you can see the formula again. Let me show it this way. It's divided by first value, the first value divided by some of the values, and it goes like that. Second value in here, it's second value and some of the values. And here I did E part, experience part, and here I did the references part. And here I found the weighted average of this row, and here I found the average of this row, and here I found the average of this row. And here again it's a sum formula. It's sum of these three above percentages. It should always be 1, and I found it 1 in every table. At the end, I went to this part, and this part is first I write this weight, average weight here, and this is this weighted average, and this is this weighted average, and it goes like that. Here experience part and references part just came from here, and um, these are the first tables results. These three results. Then I add a multi formula here by between B29 to D31 here, this blue area, and then I get this tree, and here is again, I can't show you right now, sorry. I can't show you. Anyway, I found the average here. Then I saw that M has the, I think it was Maria, has the highest number, then it's S, and then it's J. That means M should be the first one to be hired, and S should be the second one. Let me continue in here. As you can see, let me check their names. Steve, Jane, and Maisa. Maisa should be first one, Steve should be second one, and Jane should be third one, as you can see here. Second problem, two companies promote two competing products. Currently, each product controls 50% of the market. Because of recent improvements in the two products, each company plans to launch an advertising campaign. If neither company advertises, equal market shares will continue. If either company launches a stronger campaign, the other company is certain to lose a proportional percentage of its customers. A survey of the market shows that 50% of potential customers are reached through television, 30% reached through newspaper, and 20% reached through radio. In first part, it asks formulate the problem as two-person zero-sum game and determine the advertising media for each company. I did a little naming here. First one means doing nothing, 2 means using TV, 3 using radio, and it goes like that, and 8 is using TV, radio, and newspaper. Here is the solution of the problem. I again did it from Excel, and you can see row minimum and column maximum here, and as be part of the question, determine a range for the value of the game. Can each company operate with a single pure strategy? The game has saddle point in here, this part and 8.8. Thus, both companies have ventured into using all three media. The value of the game is 0. It means the both companies will have a fair game. Thank you for listening to me. See you in next semester.